Okay.
Ready for action.
Okay guys, so today we have not assemble, we have
We are going.
we are going to make a video on LAX 2007 Group 5. What is that?
Get groomed.
Get Groomed.
Wake up, Kwan.
So before we continue our video, let's
This is our first video. Our first tutorial video.
okay, our first tutorial video for our attire. So before that, we need to introduce ourselves. I think all of us, for one thing, we need to wear name tag.
Oh yeah.
Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, so
we
sorry
mentioned
for
also we
our.
cannot see inside the video. So we just proceed with the.
We will put it.
We will type below here. Okay, below here.
Oh no.
Okay, let's start with it.
So okay, introduce.
Okay. So my name is Nurul Huda binti Ibrahim. My matric number is 188095.
Hi, my name is Shadani Binti Bimda. My matric number 188522.
Hello, my name is Muhyiddin Diaz and my matric number is 204522.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Malaysia. My matric number is 191004.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Manazri and my matric number is 190295.
Hi, my name is Nur Nadia binti Kamaruddin. My matric number is 187 Okay.
Hi, today I'm wearing a Malay wedding ceremony. So if you can see the previous video from the bottom here, I using the shoes, leather shoes, black leather shoes. I combine it with the black jean and also a formal shirt to attend the wedding, Malay wedding ceremony. It show the protocol and the formal wedding. So usually beside this, we also can wear a baju Melayu, a complete baju Melayu with the baju Melayu from the top, bottom, samping and also songkok. So that's all from me.
Okay, so for today our first video of Get Groomed. So my attire is a proper attire to attend to Malay wedding, and also in Malaysia we also can wear this attire to Chinese, Indian or other wedding ceremony, because actually ladies in Malaysia have many choices to wear, like dresses and also other traditional clothing. And for me, like for ladies that wear hijab, so always we need to wear the hijab neatly. And for ladies that are free hair, they should style their hair neatly. And also for the attire, usually to attend the wedding, of course we need to wear something that modest and also proper, that's suitable to the wedding theme. For example, if the wedding is maybe something that quite grand, so the ladies can wear like dresses. And if the wedding is hold in a village or something at rural area, so the guests should wear something that more comfortable.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm wearing pre-marriage attire. It's like an engagement attire. So you can see we call it Punjabi, and not also in our marriage ceremony. We also wear it in our when we go for Juma, or we also pray. And I'm wearing with jeans, and also you can see the sneakers. Nowadays it becomes a fashion, so that's why you can also wear with slippers and also with the sneakers. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you guys about the not proper attire to a wedding. Like you can see, I just wear a t-shirt, cardigan and a jeans. For my shoes, it's quite normal because black shoes is universal, can wear to anywhere. But to attend a wedding in Malaysia, especially, this is not a proper attire. From previous video, you can see how she wear a proper attire because it's based on culture. So jeans and t-shirt is absolutely not a proper attire to attend a wedding for a female, especially because it will attract people to talk bad about you. So that's all.
Okay, so this is the example for the most appropriate dress to the Malay wedding ceremony. As you can see, both of us wearing
Jersey and jeans and slippers or sandal. It's more slippers because it's the this is the current common attire that wear by youngsters to wedding.
They always wear this to the wedding ceremony, either in hall or rural area. So I think we should teach or educate people to wear
How to wear proper attire to wedding
ceremony, and not to wear this even once in your life at wedding ceremony because it is very
inappropriate. Okay. So based on this, we should change our shirts, our trousers and our shoes. And we'll see the previous video is the good way or the best attire that we use when we attend a wedding.